welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, congratulations messages are pouring in for Ntando Duma, a 26-year-old South African actress, model, presenter known for her recent character on The Queen Mzansi as Mpho. Ntando Duma is a hard-working young woman who is a true definition of charity begins at home. On her social media platform, she posted a picture of a beautiful house captioned Ikaya Lumtanami, which is Usbahle, which guys, she once told her fans that she was busy with it. Now it's done and it is beautiful. Many of her fans and industry colleagues sang their praises about her achievement. Not so long, guys, Ntando built her mother a beautiful house and she bought herself a Mercedes-Benz A200 last year. Indeed, guys, the sky is the limit. Once again, congratulations to Mama Sibahle. And guys, that's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and let's celebrate with her. Bye.